Hello everyone, and in this part I will briefly explain my pose estimation web service, which is built using Fast API. The service has two main endpoints: pose estimation, and you can see here the pose estimation and the pose emission image. And both endpoints take an image in base 64 format, decode it, and then use a model called the MoveNight to detect human body key points. And in the post estimation endpoint, the service returns just key points as a list of the coordinates. In the post estimation image, like here, this part is also returned the annotated image with the key points drawn on the person. Inside the code, I first decode the base 64 image, then use OpenCV to read the image. I pass the image into the run pose estimation function, which runs the model and gets the result. If no person is detected, the API returns a simple response with count equal to 0. Otherwise, it returns the number of the people and their key points. The service is easy to use and works well with Postman or the Python client script. And that's the overall of my web service. And let's move to the Docker field. And this is my Docker field for the post estimation service. I use a lightweight Python 3.10 image to save space. I copy my project file into container and also copy the per download.well files inside a folder called warehouse. Then I use the pipe install with the no index flag. This means the container installs the package offline from the local warehouse folder. I expose port 6000 for the API. Finally, I start the server using the UV icon. Listen on 0.0.0.0, so it can be accessed from outside the container. Yeah, and I install the Carbonite using Carbonite and use the Flannel as a network plugin. My cluster contains one controller and two worker nodes, and I will show you. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, you can hear I got a I create like the controller and work 1, work 2 nodes, and there are 3 nodes. And I also create a development called the post estimator, configured it with a CPU of 0.5, memory of 512 MB, and a selector to bind to the service. And I will show you. You can see this is the file of the development code, the post development, and you can see I set it to the 500 and 0.5, and another field is this one, I set port and target port and node port and open to allow me to access the development externally. And we also can I also can show you the posts. These posts are previously used to test the locust like test the locust data, like one post, 2 posts, 4 posts, and 8 posts, and test the avenge time and users, max users. And I can show you if you logs one post, you can see this all the requests, like they all you can see all here. And I also wrote a locust file, like you can see here, and that simulates multiple users sending. I wrote a locust script that simulates multiple users sending post requests to the post estimation interface. We can see that the service is still able to respond the request when load increase. And like here, if you run this code, and you can open it on you can use the port to enter to this website, use the 8089, and you can send a request like this. It will. Okay, that's all. Thank you.